which affect the rate of corrosion. If they will ask pH, you need to write down these 2 points with this example. First one is decrease in pH, increasing in rate of corrosion takes place. Second one is increasing in pH, decreasing in rate of corrosion. For example, iron undergo corrosion at pH 3. Same iron cannot undergo corrosion at pH 11 because of formation of protective hydrous oxide layer. So this is first one, that is pH. Coming to the next another one factor which affect the rate of corrosion, that is temperature. Coming to the secondary factor which affect the rate of corrosion, that is temperature. So coming to the temperature of the environment also affect the rate of corrosion, because corrosion, it is a chemical phenomena. Means generally the loss of metal, it is observed when a metal exposed to the environment due to the chemical reaction. So every chemical reactions, it increases with increasing in temperature. Therefore, temperature also affect the rate of corrosion, in which if there is a increasing in temperature, temperature is increase the rate of corrosion, because once temperature is increasing in the movement of ions, it takes place. This is first one. Second, another one is Second one, if increasing in the temperature, the more passive metals will become active. It also increases the rate of corrosion. This is second, another one factor which affect the rate of corrosion. If increase the temperature, increase the rate of corrosion, it takes place due to increasing in the movement of ions. Second one is, if corrosion resistance metals corrosion resistant metals resistance metals become active at higher the temperature, become active at higher the temperature, therefore increase the rate of corrosion. For example, caustic embrittlement. Caustic embrittlement means the corrosion observed in mild steel boiler, it is called as a caustic embrittlement. See, this is about secondary factor which affect the rate of corrosion, that is temperature. If increasing in temperature, increasing in rate of corrosion due to increasing in movement of ions from anode to cathode. Second one is the corrosion resistant metals become active at higher the temperature. For example, metals like chromium, platinum, aluminium, etc. See, these are the corrosion resistance metal because these metals are having higher the electrode potential value. Once for these metals, it is subjected at higher the temperature, these metal also undergo corrosion due to the increasing in temperature. For example, caustic embrittlement, whatever the corrosion observed in a mild steel boiler. So whatever the steel boiler we are using for boiling of water generally, in that a steel metal, it undergo corrosion at higher the temperature after long time. So therefore, there is an increasing in temperature, there is an increasing in rate of corrosion. So this is next another one, that is in a temperature. So coming to the last another one factor which affect the rate of corrosion, that is conductance. The conductance of the medium also affect the rate of corrosion. So in which if there is a increasing in the conductance of the medium is increases, there is a increasing in rate of corrosion, it takes place, first one. Second one is, if there is a decreasing in the increasing in the conductance, there is a decreasing in the rate of corrosion it takes place. For example, metals undergo corrosion very fastly. Metals undergo corrosion very fastly. Undergo corrosion very fastly in the case of mineralized soil than sand soil. Compared to a sand soil, metals it undergo corrosion very fastly in mineralized soil, because in the case of mineralized soil, conductance is more. Another one example, metals undergo corrosion very fastly in the case of sea water. In sea water presence, it undergo corrosion very fastly than the river water, because in the case of sea water there is a increasing in the conductance, therefore metal undergo corrosion very fastly, but in the case of river water metal undergo corrosion very slowly because of lower in the conductance. It's clear? Any doubt in the secondary factor which affect the rate of corrosion? See, in these three secondary factors, any two or any one compulsory they will ask. There are totally three factors they will ask, sometimes two from primary, one from secondary, sometimes two from secondary, one from primary. In the secondary factor, if they will ask pH, you need to write down just 2 points. Decreasing pH increase the rate of corrosion. Increasing in pH decrease the rate of corrosion. Example, iron undergo corrosion at pH 3. Same iron metal cannot undergo corrosion at pH 11. Next one, if they will ask temperature, if you need to write down increasing in temperature increase the rate of corrosion. Second one, corrosion resistant passive metal become active at higher the temperature undergo corrosion. Example, caustic embrittlement. Whatever the corrosion observed in mild steel boilers. Coming to the last one, conductance. If increasing in the conductance increase the rate of corrosion, decreasing in the conductance decrease the rate of corrosion. For example, metals undergo corrosion fastly in mineralized soil than sand soil. Next one, metal undergo corrosion fastly in sea water than river water. So this is about next another one topic, that is factors affecting rate of corrosion. Primary factors, nature of metal, nature of corrosion product, and another one is in a nature of corrosion product, and another one is area of anode and cathode. Next one is secondary factors. One is in a pH, another one is in a temperature, and another one is in a conductance. Any doubt in this factors affecting rate of corrosion, you can ask now. Any doubt in the factors affecting rate of corrosion?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's a clear factors affecting rate of corrosion. Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will assign assignment in teams, in which go to assignments, in that go to quiz, you can answer the question. There are 10 question is there. students, I assigned assignment. Go to assignment in Teams. Sorry, quiz I assigned. All of you attend that quiz without fail. Did you got it? Quiz link.
Yes, sir.
Yashaswini ji, are you attending? Are you able to attend the quiz? Are any issues in that? Just only 10 question is there. Read properly, answer properly. Just on the basis of corrosion and types of corrosion. If you completed the quiz, you can leave the meeting. Today afternoon, F1 batch, I think you have chemistry lab. F2 batch CPL lab. Attend labs without fail. Whatever the new timetable, revised timetable I shared in your WhatsApp group, follow the timetable from today onwards. In that only one small mistake is there. Tomorrow you don't have CPL lab afternoon. It is by mistake it is entered. Is it clear for you? And one more very important thing is, today at 3:30 you have a QCM meeting. I will share one link at 3:15. By using that, you need to attend that meeting without fail. Principal sir, HOD, IQAC head, Dean Academics, all are there in that meeting. You need to respond neatly for their questions. Clear?